Next learn. Now we start exercise 1.5. Okay, in last class we completed exercise 1.4 and next we will come 1.5. These are all working sums. The number of people who visited Games Village during Commonwealth Games in New Delhi for the first 4 days was recorded as 15,290, 14,181, 14,235 and 10,578. Find the total number of people visited in these 4 days. Okay, when you do working sums, first you have to understand the problem. Okay, answer is only in question only. First you understand the problem. You read 1 or 2 times, okay, or 3 times. First you understand. So what is the concept of the question, what we find, what he gave in the question, we have to must and should find. So in Delhi there was Commonwealth Games in 4 days. So first day how many people visited? 15,290. And next day and next day, so total 4 days, 4 days we wanted to add. Okay, so what is the working steps? Given that first day visited people, how many? 15,290. And second day visited people, 14,181. Third day visited people, 14,235. And fourth day visited people, 10,058. Okay, now children, so add these 4 numbers. You got 54,284. So therefore conclusion write. Total number of people visited in 4 days, 54,284. Okay, now these are steps. These steps are in question only. Next problem. In Lok Sabha elections, the elected candidates got 5,87,500 votes and defeated candidates got 3,52,768. By how many votes did the winner win the election? But here what we find, winner got how many votes? 5,87,500 and defeated person got how many votes? 3,52,768. What is the difference between winner and how many votes difference between winner and defeated candidate? You find that one only. Okay, now so write the first step. Given that elected candidates got votes, how many votes? 5,87,500 and defeated candidates got how many votes? 3,52,768. Do minus here. Okay, minus. So last, therefore 2,34,732 votes winner got election. Okay, na? So winner got 2,34,732 votes more than defeated candidates. Okay, I think you understood this problem. Next, write the greatest and smallest number of formed by the digits 5, 3, 4, 0 and 7. Find their difference. Okay, here they gave digits. By using these digits, we form greatest and smallest number. Already you learned in 5th class how to form largest and smallest by giving digits. Okay, and find that difference. This difference means nothing but subtraction. Okay, first form greatest and smallest. After you do difference. Given that, so write the digits 5, 3, 4, 0, 7. How to form greatest number? By using these digits. Greatest number means first big number you write. What is the biggest number? 7. 7 after big number 5. 5 after big number 4. 4 after big number 3. 3 after 0. Okay, don't next, smallest number. Actually here 0 is smallest. Already all are know 0 is smallest, but small logic here. Always should remember that logic here. When you form smallest number by using this digits means, don't write 0 first. Why? Because first of all 0 means it has no value. That's why you take another smallest number means 3. 3 after you write 0. Okay na? I already told about this in earlier classes. If you want, you once you revise the problems. 3 after 0 and again smallest number 4, again 5, again 7. So now what you do? Difference means minus. So minus means what? Smallest number is subtracted from biggest number. Okay, so first write big number after small number, then you do minus. This is the answer. Students, I told more problems, more working sums. Now what you do? Try this. A bicycle industry, I guide you. Okay, how to do working sums. Okay now children, exactly you do this problem. Very easy problems. I explain you how to do. A bicycle industry makes 3,125 bicycles each day. Find total number of bicycles manufactured for the month of July. So there is one bicycle industry. Every day, how many bicycles are manufactured? 3,125 bicycles. Every day. Find total number of bicycles manufactured for the month of July. So every day 3,125 cycles are manufactured means in month of July, how many days were there in month of July? There were 31 days in month of July. There were 31 days. So you have to multiply with so 3,125 multiply by 31. Okay, you write steps. Bicycle industry makes cycles equal to 3,125. And in July month there are 31 days. Therefore total number of bicycles equal to 3,125 into 31. Then you got answer. Next, a helicopter covers 600 kilometers in 1 hour. How much distance will it cover in 4 hours? See, helicopter cover 1 hour. In 1 hour it covers 600 kilometers. Then 4 hours means 600 into 4. Write working steps and do. Multiply only. 600 into 4. Next. The total weight of a box of 5 biscuit packets of same size is 8 kgs and 400 grams. What is the weight of each packet? Okay. So must and should understand the question. Given that total weight of 5 biscuit packets of same size of weight. How much? 8 kgs 400 grams. How to write 8 kgs 400 grams? So 8 kg means how many grams? 800 grams. Okay. Sorry. 8 kgs means how many grams? 8,000. 1 kg means 1,000 grams. So how to write 80 kgs 400 grams? 8,400 grams. Here 8 is multiplied by 1,000. So you got 8,400 grams. Okay na? So steps also write here. What is the weight of one packet? Okay. Remember children, this is unitary method, 2 types. First one, give some things and find one thing means you do addition. You do division. Give one thing and find some things means you have to do multiply. Here 5 biscuit packets. 5 means not, it is not 1 unit. It is 5 units, some units. Then they find 1 biscuit packet. So they gave some units and find, they asked to find 1 unit. That's why you do here division. 8400 divided by 5 means you got 1620, 1620 grams. 1 biscuit packet weight is this much. And last problem of this chapter, it will complete it. The cost of petrol is 60 per liter. A petrol bunk sells 750 liters of petrol on a day. How much money do they get at the end of the day? So cost of petrol per liter, how much per liter? 60 rupees. Okay na? Wait children. Next, every day they sell 750 liters, they sell petrol every day. Then how much money they got at the end of the day? So write that first, given that. First, what is the cost of petrol? Equal to 60 per liter. Petrol bunk sells every day, how much petrol they will sell? 750 liters. Total money at the end of they got total money at the end of the day. What we do? 750 into 60. They got 4500 amount. I think students, all these problems I think you understood. It is very easy. If you have any doubt means ask me through message and through call. Okay now? Bye children. This is our first chapter, knowing our numbers, completed. Write neatly notes and do what I gave to you, problems, homeworks and activities. You have to do must and should. Okay children.